Thank you, both of you. His Excellency, Ambassador of Indonesia, other eminent officials here. I'm sorry I'm not going to track on who, I don't want to miss on any name. Dr. Rajiv and esteemed parents and most esteemed teachers of hope and beloved children. Assalamu alaikum and a wonderful evening to everyone present here. I'm beyond words. I've been in education sector for more than 35 years. And I'm heading the largest school in Qatar. You know very well what is the strength of MES Indian School. And I felt that the teachers taking care of the children on the stage in the classroom is a Herculean task. But today I salute all the teachers and Dr. Rajiv. Oh my God. It's not a joke, you know. We train children in the class, and when they fail to present well on the stage, or when they fail to perform a dance as we wanted, we get so furious. This moment is a moment to introspect and understand that everyone is gifted in a special way. And it's a moment to accept all the gifts that Almighty has given us. But you know very well, we are born into the hands of someone, and few years we walk on toes, and then we become so rude and arrogant and proud, and we feel that everything will happen. But again, when we go back, we need someone to carry us. So between these two times, we must understand that we are differently abled, and we need to have fellow feeling. Sorry, I have a gruff voice today because I have been in the annual day program last full week. Now back to what I have to say about hope. I would have missed this opportunity for a lifetime. I would have regretted if I had not made it today. Dr. Rajiv has been inviting me most of the time, telling, since you are heading a school, why don't you come over and see what work we are doing here? And I've been hearing about Hope Qatar for quite long, even without knowing what is the work being done over here. I just know that it is for gifted children, but I never knew that there is cultural program, there is painting, there beyond academics and beyond borders, because we have 16 nationality teachers, as it was told here. I think the audience today over here are very stingy in clapping. Please put your hands together. And this is for Hope Qatar. I always tell my teachers and audience, I tell them, you lend your ears to me, fine. But it's your responsibility to applaud each and every performance over here. And a word of thanks to the choreographer, the one who wrote the lyrics. I would like to take a single line where it is said, courage is not a word, courage is a practice. How many of us sitting here take courage, borrow courage, pray and get courage? So the line from the theme was, courage is not a word, it's not a literal word, it's a practice which we all should understand. It requires a lot of courage to have a baby with special needs and to take care of them. Lot of courage to face the setbacks. Lot of courage to take care of the children. I just now saw the performance of a little baby. Maybe we practiced for many days, but he was not ready to do. But the patience of the teacher is something that we should appreciate. I would also like to thank Ministry of Education for supporting us. I today became a part of Hope, Dr. Rajiv. I can't help it, you know, my heart is with everyone here. And thank you so much for inviting me, and thank you for all the great work. And also I'd like to thank the volunteers here, you know, because we also depute duty for my teachers and our team. You know, when the children reach to the brim here, they barged here. This is what is voluntary service and proactiveness. A big round of applause for the volunteers. I don't know they are from where. Thank you so much. We are a team, okay? Together, everyone achieve more is the meaning of team. So, Dr. Rajiv, thank you so much. And I'm coming to your Hope Center to take my teacher to make them understand that we are not doing great job. You just see what the teachers over here are doing. And no words. May Almighty Allah bless everyone. Thank you for inviting me here. And thank you, teachers, for the wonderful job. And many more years to go, Dr. Rajiv. And best wishes to your family. Thank you and have a great evening.